Let's look at how to easily assemble the CMV valves to ensure proper operation. First, set the valves in the intended order. I prefer to lay the components down so I can easily inspect the gaskets before stacking the next unit. Inspect the gaskets, then set the first valve in place. Continue to set additional valves while inspecting the gaskets, paying attention to be sure these small teeth lay into the insert in the previous valve. Then place the right side blind end plate. If they are assembled correctly, with the gaskets flat and those small teeth interlocked, they should be close together like this. If you have a gap like this, it's likely that the teeth are not mating properly. Now stack the valves so the right end plate is down. Push down on the top of the stack with several pounds of force while tightening the first rear locking screw, then the first front locking screw. These should be tightened to 2 Newton meters or 18 inch-pounds. It is very important to tighten to the proper torque in the correct order. Torque the rear screw, then the front, one valve at a time. While keeping the downward force, repeat for each valve in order. Remember the rear screw first, then the front. Now you can pressure test. Plug all the valve outlets to be sure you're testing the valve block and not any downstream components. Apply pressure for about 15 seconds, then shut off the supply. Wait 1 minute or longer to see if any pressure is lost. Here the pressure held so we know we have no leaks. If the pressure falls more than 15 psi, there is an assembly issue. Now you can be sure of years of trouble-free service from your CMV system. Automation Direct is providing the products and support you need to make us your common-sense way to buy industrial controls. Please click here to see our tech support options. We have a vast library of other videos. Please click here to view all product videos. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming products and solutions.